What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 simple natural remedy or ingredients that would remove your fracky, dry and rough skin, that would even out your skin, that would make you look younger, that would tone up your skin. Okay, so this remedy is actually very simple and it's so easy to apply. You can either scrub or not to scrub and all of that. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's dive into this video. Alright guys, for a dry and freaky skin, we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now yogurt is a great moisturizer to the skin. If your skin needs a boost of moisture, you can try using yogurt in rejuvenating your skin. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines, fights acne, fights blemishes and pigmentation, reduces dark circles, treats skin infections, sorts sunburns, and it also helps for dry and freaky skin. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be honey. Honey is essential for the skin because it helps to soothe the skin. It makes the skin looks very soft, tender and moisturized. Honey helps in prevention of aging and is full of antioxidants. It's great for slowing down aging process, and it is an extreme moisturizing agent for the skin. Then we're going to be needing rose water and glycerin. Now rose water is essential for the skin because it contains anti-inflammatory property that helps reduce the redness of irritated skin, get rid of acne, dermatitis, eczema. It's a great cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt accumulating in clogged pores. And it's also a great remedy for dry skin. Then we're going to be needing aloe vera. Now aloe vera gel is an almighty remedy. When aloe vera touches your skin and dry off, it helps to provide a protective barrier that helps keep moisture locked into your skin. It reduces acne, inflammations and assists in healing, removing redness and soothing dry skin. Aloe vera helps for sunburn, irritated skin and a dry, freaky skin. We're going to be taking 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yeah. 1 teaspoon of honey. And we're going to be pumping the aloe vera, and we're going to be pumping in 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera. Now we're going to mix the ingredients all up together. This is how it looks. So we're going to mix it all up so we can have a very good and water-based consistency of this treatment. So this is how it's going to be looking like. You have to mix and mix really well. And this is good. Alright, so for this you can actually use it once in a week and all of your dry, fracky skin is going to be gone. You can also apply it on your hands for a dry and wrinkle fine line hands. Okay. Alright guys, so for a dull, freaky, dry skin, I have here my remedy, and oops, it's falling off. It's actually because of the yogurt. So you have to apply everywhere. Okay guys, so yeah, this is how you're gonna apply it, and you're going to scrub. For this one you have to scrub, and when you scrub then you leave it and then you wash it off. Okay, so the thing is that you have to apply this. You can actually apply it once in a week, or if you can apply it, like if you can stand the consistency 2 or 3 times in a week, it's going to make those treatments really very effective. Okay, and your skin is going to glow soft like a baby skin. Like as you can see right now, my skin is still very soft and tender despite the fact that I've been stressed. Like everything in my body has changed, but my skin is still very soft, tender, and like a baby skin. So as soon as any of the treatment is good for my smell, for my sense of smell, I tend to apply it, and it works really well. Okay, guys, so that's how it is. Sometimes I tend to buy a very thick yogurt, and the one I got, and that's why the mixture, turn out that way. But if you have an unsweetened thick yogurt, okay, it's going to serve the purpose so well. Okay, so that's it. This is actually going to help you to remove your dry and fracky skin. Okay, I'll see you soon in my next video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, share, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and bye guys.